Hey, what is going on, guys? Andrew here. Today I'm going to be talking about some big news that came out for NIO. As you can see from the headline of this article, NIO teams up with China's State Grid to build battery charging swapping stations across country to compete with Tesla. NIO said it signed an agreement with State Grid EV Service, a unit of China's state-owned electricity distributor, to build 100 stations across China by 2021. The electric car startup has established 143 battery swapping stations across 64 cities in China, NIO's founder and chairman William Li Bin said in August. Now, if you're unaware of what these battery swapping stations are, they're just stations where the battery is fully charged already and you don't have to wait to charge your car like you do with a Tesla. So you can just grab the battery and you can get on your way and have a fully charged battery. Now, there's a couple reasons why this is huge for NIO. The first reason is going to be the ramp up in production. As you can see in the agreement, they want to build 100 stations across China by 2021. And if you look up here, it said the electric car startup has established 143 battery swapping stations across 64 cities in China. And that's what the founder said. So if they want to increase by 100 more stations, that's going to almost double what they had initially. And I think that's huge with the amount of production that's going to be in such a short amount of time. And the second reason is that people in this day and age are so impatient, they want things done as quick as possible. The greatest example is Amazon Prime and how popular that's become because of how fast it gets you your packages. I think this is going to have a similar effect because nobody wants to wait around to charge their car. They just want to get it done quickly and they want to make sure they have a full battery as fast as possible. So these battery stations are going to be exceptionally popular in my opinion. And this partnership with the Chinese government also seems like a step in the direction towards 1 in 5 vehicles on the country's roads to be driven by non-fossil fuels in 2025. It seems like they're really pushing to get towards that goal. And if we get that goal, we're going to see massive growth in NIO and potentially other EVs that come from China. And then these battery swapping stations also cut the cost of the car significantly, almost 20%, which is equivalent to about $10,000 US. So that's an insane price cut. That's an insane savings. That's definitely going to increase the sales of the car and increase the revenue of the company. And then on January 9th, there's also NIO Day, where they are expected to reveal their sedan, which is also going to cause some hype. As you can see here, Tesla's market cap is almost $630 billion. And NIO has a market cap of only about $71 billion. So that's almost 10 times the market cap of NIO. So I think right now NIO is my favorite EV play over Tesla for sure, with the hype surrounding NIO Day, with the government-backed partnerships, and then we also have the battery swap stations that are being built around, and I think that's going to give them a significant advantage over Tesla in the upcoming years in just the overall growth factor. And that's going to be it, guys. I just wanted to present you guys this information so you don't miss out on a huge buying opportunity and you don't miss out on knowing and understanding these battery swap stations and everything about them, because I think they're going to be huge in the future. I think this is going to be what puts NIO up near Tesla's market cap possibly, and I think it's going to be really good for investors. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe. We're going to be pushing out more informational videos like this, and of course we have our educational content teaching you guys how to chart, and we have our daily watch list that comes out every single day that the market is open, and we try to give you guys the best plays and best setups for the week. And that's going to be it from me for today, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.